Heather, welcome to Southside Mitsubishi. Thanks for coming in today. So you saw our commercial on TV.
Yes.
On the all-new Eclipse Cross.
Tell me about it.
Wow, are you ready to learn? Ha! Okay, so Heather, right in front of you is exactly what you wanted to look at. This is the all-new 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross SE package. I love this package, and you're gonna love it too. Well, we're gonna learn together.
Okay.
So up front, look, embrace. Stand back, come. So we're just gonna be quiet for a second and just be awestruck by the awesome new design language of this vehicle. So Mitsubishi's design language is called Dynamic Shield. So like if you look at the RVR next to it, it's kind of got some similar flavors than the Outlander there. So what Mitsubishi wants to do moving forward is kind of obviously brand the front end of the car. So when you see that, you know it's Mitsubishi. I'm just gonna throw it out there. Nissan Rogue. So they have LEDs, but they're probably this big, and there's like 6 of them. Doesn't look high end, just doesn't finish. This looks more like the front end of a, I don't know, Lexus, maybe the NX, wouldn't you agree? Except, this doesn't cost $60,000.
How much does it cost?
We're gonna talk about that in a minute, don't you worry. Okay, design language. So the dynamic shield features the chrome blades. Awesome. The piano black. The lower fascia down here, so it kind of looks like a skid plate. So it gives it a refined but aggressive look, wouldn't you agree?
Yes.
Fantastic. And look at these huge combination fog lights. Look at that. Doesn't it look awesome?
What's a combination fog light?
Well, your fog light is here, and your signal light is just above that, hence the combination. Also features projector style headlights. The benefit to you is they point light better in front of the car, right? So give you better visibility. And then those LEDs, like I'm just, wow! Huh. Okay, what makes this vehicle move is your next question, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Wow! I'm really excited about this. So Mitsubishi is running a all-new powertrain this year in this vehicle. So it's all new to North America, but it's got a new engine for Mitsubishi, okay? Nobody wants to buy the first production year of something, right?
Absolutely.
Right? Because, I don't know, sometimes things aren't good. So this is a new product for us. It's a new package for us. But every single piece of technology in this vehicle is proven in another one of our product lines. So you're not testing out something that might not work, right? That makes sense, doesn't it?
It does.
So what Mitsubishi's done with this vehicle, so they've run a smaller displacement engine at 1.5 liters, and then they've added a turbocharger to it. So this 1.5 liter produces 152 horsepower, but it produces 187 foot, 86 or 87 foot-pounds of torque.
Which one is it?
It's one of them, but I'll get you that information in a second. Okay, why does that benefit you? Everyone's like, oh, give me lots of horsepower. Ah, you don't need lots of horsepower. Horsepower is to keep you going. Torque production gets you going. Torque production of an engine is how it's twisting the wheels. So when you push the gas and you get pushed back into your seat, what is that? That's torque. Absolutely it is. And this car's got more than enough of it. It's coupled to a Sportronic CVT8 transmission. Everybody's CVT transmissions are different. And when we take this for a drive, you're going to notice that this is probably one of the best ones you've ever driven. I'm not going to throw names out there, but Jeep, if you buy a little Jeep like a Patriot or a Compass, its CVT transmission is heinous. If you push the gas, the car goes nowhere. And when it starts going, bah! The amount of noise it makes is unbelievable. So, CVT8 technology here delivers power like crazy. It operates at an extremely low sound, so it's not noisy. And when we drive it, how it delivers the power, you're gonna be floored. Okay, super low maintenance engine too. This engine only requires an oil change every 8,000 kilometers. So your car now, what are you driving that? Super Jalopy 6000? Really nice car, but you're probably gonna change oil every what, 5 grand?
No.
4?
Toyota's
3,000?
16,000 kilometers.
Can I get a new customer? Okay, anyway, moving forward. So your Super Jalopy does require an oil change every 5,000 K.
Yes, it does.
With this, you need to visit our service department less often. The cool thing with the Mitsubishi, Our service department's fantastic, and they'd love to earn your service business. But I know you're a mechanic, and you do your own servicing sometimes. Absolutely. So, cool thing with the Mitsubishi is that you can do the service, keep all the receipts, keep all the warranty on your car. That's a great feature, isn't it?
It is.
Okay, other cool things about this engine compartment. Look at how intelligently things are laid out. So any reservoir that you need to access is easy to find. Washer fluid, coolant overflow for the engine, fill the oil, check the oil, easy peasy, right? Transmission fluid check and fill. Batteries accessible. Air filter, that's also accessible. What you're gonna notice on top of the engine is a very rigid 3-point strut tower brace. What's that good for? Do you know?
No.
Okay, sweet, I'm gonna tell you. So, when you enter a corner at a higher rate of speed, metal flexes somewhat. These tires might lose their contact patch off the road. That is designed to keep both tires planted extremely firmly on the ground. So at high rates of speed, so you want to go around a corner a little bit faster, you'll see this thing's planted extremely flat, doesn't want to flex. It just adds handling dynamics that other cars don't provide.
Which of the other Mitsubishis have that?
This is the only Mitsubishi that has it except the Lance Revolution right there. Cool, eh?
It is.
Okay, air induction. Intake's mounted up nice and high. Why do they do that? To bring cold, clean air always into this motor. A lot of car companies will draw engine air from within the engine compartment. So the air is being taken from within a hot engine bay, so hot air is cycling back into a hot engine. That's not efficient. So this car is bringing air from exterior, and it's up high, so it's bring less debris into this, so you need to change it less often, but you're gonna get better performance out of the engine, more efficiency out of the engine. That makes sense, right?
It does.
Mitsubishi does a sound shield up on the hood here, so that's going to keep engine noises where they should be in the engine compartment. You'll notice these trim pieces as well. They're also designed to keep engine noises within the compartment itself. You notice on the back of the firewall as well, Mitsubishi's got more of that material. So they want to keep your in-cabin experience as nice as they possibly can. And you'll see when you test drive this vehicle, it's extremely quiet on the road. Does anybody have any questions?
Nope.
Okay, really quick, warranties. This company will warranty what's under the hood better than any manufacturer. So you can go visit everybody. Go everywhere. Absolutely nobody but us will give you a 10-year or 160,000 kilometer powertrain warranty. If you go buy a Honda and you want what we give you for free, you'll have to pay Honda $4,000 to $5,000 extra to give the warranty that Mitsubishi just offers at no charge. The value in that is absolutely crazy. The warranty is transferable. If you own this car for 6 years and sell it, somebody will get a 4-year warranty at no charge. That's huge for resale. In 6 years, every other nameplate is out of factory warranty. Mitsubishi is absolutely not. Other cool thing, how long has this company been building cars, you ask Heather? Oh, well, Toyota's been building cars since the 30s. Guess when we started? 1917! Huh, wow, weird. And what, wait a minute, like, where do they build the Corollas now?
Cambridge.
Canada. Oh, okay. Japanese company. Built in Canada. Okay, weird. Mitsubishi is the oldest Japanese nameplate, and they still build their product fully in Japan. Why? Because the quality control levels in Japan are superior, and Mitsubishi will not compromise that. Toyota's okay to compromise that. Toyota, a couple of years ago, didn't they have like a lot of bad press? Like their brakes weren't working?
Yeah.
Oh, weird. Anyway. Okay, coming down the side of this vehicle. So standard equipment, 18-inch cast alloy premium rims. That is standard. So right across the trim line, Mitsubishi's not the company that says, oh, here's the base model, it looks like welfare. Our cars don't look like welfare base model. Everything looks the same from the outside, very uniform, very premium. At Southside Mitsubishi, we do a bit of a winterization. So wheel locks are included. Mud flaps are included. We supply and install an engine block heater. Going back to where I told you where the car was built, it's built in Japan for worldwide distribution. So, if the country this thing goes to is warm all the time, unlike Canada, you don't need a block heater, right? We live in Alberta, we should have block heaters in our cars. That's why we do it, and I'll go through the values on that with you shortly. More LED lights on the outside, integrated into the side view mirror. So the cool thing with that, doesn't matter where you're looking at this car, you can see all the illumination. Like from the side, you can see headlights, you can see taillights, you can see the signal. So people are in front of you, behind you, beside you. They'll be able to see what you want to do, what your intentions are. Hopefully they're decent humans and let you in. I can't promise they will because we do live in Edmonton. Side view mirrors are collapsible, they're power. This has the tech package, which also means the key is non-existent. It's a proximity-based key. So you take the key and you just want to put this in your pocket. Super duper.
What if I forget it?
You won't forget it, I won't let you. So the car is open. I want you to lock it by pressing that black button. Cool, look at that. Wow, did those mirrors just power collapse too? Man, that's clean. Don't only super high-end cars do that. Not anymore, Mitsubishi does it. So we walk up to the car, we want to get back in. It says give it a push. Fantastic. Wow, mirrors open up, my car's unlocked. Man, that's convenient.
Very convenient.
Super convenient. Heather, I want you to sit in the passenger side here just for a second. So you'll notice premium fabric seats, which are heated in 2 stages. Aren't those comfy?
Yes.
Absolutely. Look how convenient those heated seats are. Bam, right there. Whoa, what's that super sick touchpad controller? Wow! So what does that do, you ask? This vehicle features a, I'm gonna call that a heads-up display, but a center dash display, which has a backup camera integrated into it, and then all your audio. What kind of phone do you got?
iPhone.
iPhone, fantastic, me too. Apple Army, all right. So this car's got Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. What is that? It's interface technology between the devices in your hand to the car. So plug into one of the 2 USBs, some of your phone's applications like your music, like your mapping, like your texting if you want, will populate on that screen. So you have nav off of your phone. Super rad, don't need to pay for it. What else is super cool? The dash. Look how nice and uniform that is. And feel it, touch it. Super high quality materials. Like if you touch the dash of a Kia, you'll probably get a rash. Just kidding. Anyway, look at the new speaker pods up here. Super, super well finished. Big vent up there to keep everything nice and defrosted. And then just how the trim kind of wraps around you. You know, here, I'm gonna close the door. To kind of get that. It's like you're being hugged by your car. Isn't that nice?
Yes.
Wow. And look, like the piano black, man, this thing looks rich. This looks like a $50,000 car, but it's only, look at that. Oh, wow. Yeah. $50,000 car for $31,800. Huh! It's almost free. That's affordable, even for you. Please, come on up. What you're going to also notice from the outside of the vehicle, which is super, super nice, the chrome, right? So the belt line kind of breaks it up, gives it that ultra premium look on the road. Okay, this is a super cool feature I like, really quick. Okay, these doors. You know what I hate in the winter? When I get out of my car, and like my pants touch the side of my car, and then they're dirty. Man, that makes me mad. Wow, Mitsubishi, oh, super intelligent. Oh, so when I close the door, that's, totally covered. So I'm not gonna get my pants dirty. I like that. That's just smart.
It is smart.
Super smart. Okay, doors. One piece of metal, guys. These doors aren't manufactured from little pieces of matchstick steel like every other manufacturer does. So most companies take a bunch of recycled steel, they put it into like a computer thing, and then the machine builds it and welds it. Welds it here, welds it there, welds it there, welds it there. That's cool. Okay, check this out. A weld is extremely strong. What's not strong is metal on either side. You're a welder. Were? No?
Somewhat, as the first year.
So, the weld will never break, guys. But if you hit it from the side, the metal on one side of the weld is gonna fail. So, something's barreling towards the side of your car, okay, and then it piles into you, and then your door pieces out. That's not cool. This door is stamped. This door will not piece out. Strong. Impact beams too. 2 bars run across the door when you get hit from the side. They're designed to take the impact force from doing this, push it down the side of the car, right? Keep you and your loved ones safe. 7 airbags are standard too, so 2 front airbags, 2 side airbags, canopy airbags, both sides, front all the way to the back. Driver's side knee airbag standard as well. Wow! And only, like really? I'm not even done my presentation. I'd pay $40 for this thing.
Do I have a deal for you?
Shark fin antenna. Wow! Looks cool, right? Super aerodynamic, works. Look at all that space. Wow. Please, Heather, hop in. Roominess for days. So you've also got fully reclinable. Look at that. Fully active headrest. You want a little headrest up action? Sorry, we're just gonna headrest up here. Bam, bam. Okay, there you go. Isn't that nice? That's pretty chill. You don't need, maybe be a little bit less chill. There you go. Okay, sweet. Now, really quick. We've also got this really awesome armrest cup holder combination here. So if we're just chilling, we're gonna have some drinks and stuff back here, we can. Non-alcoholic, of course. If we want to charge anything, we've got our own power outlet back here. That's really convenient. And lots of room. Like most compact SUVs, there's lots of room there. There's no room here, or there's no headroom. Like we got tons. Wouldn't you agree?
I would agree.
Sweet. What about that factory tinted glass? Wow, I don't need to pay extra for that. Huh. I'll just save me like $500. And it looks dope. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, let's go. Okay, back end of this car, absolutely badass. Like nothing else on the road looks like this. Not even close. So, stay there. Bam! Wow. Holy smokes. Does that LED bar ever look super dope? Yeah, I like it. Okay, what else is cool? You can go buy a Range Rover for like 80 grand and it's got a super sweet one that sweeps down. Or you can buy this for half price and also get the super sweep down rear wiper blade. I like it. Glass is heated on the top, glass is heated down there too. And what's really cool about this is just another line of sight. So most compact SUVs have this much to look at, maybe a little bit more. When you test drive this, to have that extra visibility out of that, super cool. And look at it, it just looks amazing. Huh, does this vehicle have super all-wheel control?
It looks like it.
Wow! Okay, so most vehicles have AWD. So it's just like all-wheel drive, always working. Not as efficient as our system, kind of wastes fuel, doesn't work as good. And then we have all-wheel control, which gives you the ability to change drive modes. And then you throw the super in there. Ah! Okay, so most all-wheel drive systems move power front to back. That's how they work. Okay, these tires slip, move power here, vice versa. Super all-wheel control will move power front to back, but in the front end of this vehicle, also move it from right to left. How's that benefit you? You ask. Good question. So, on super slippery roads, like if this tire doesn't have enough, it'll move power there, and vice versa. That technology came out of that race car. Lancer Evolution runs super all-wheel control drive system with a yaw rate controller. That vehicle's like $50-some thousand. For 30 grand, you can get that sort of on-road technology. That's just ridiculous. I'm just blown away right now. Are you?
I'm absolutely blown away.
Sick. Okay, what else is cool? Fuel door that's locking here. That's cool. I know you live in a bad neighborhood, so if people want to like siphon your gas, they totally can. And unleaded fuel only, so regular gas, totally rad. Some turbocharged vehicles do require premium. We don't.
It's also completely sealed inside your
Man, that's
gas
so
door.
good. Okay, now the exciting stuff.
I'm ready.
Get behind the steering wheel.
Please?
Please. No! Okay, so you said leather seats weren't important and you were okay with fabric. This has got like a multi-adjust manual height ratchet there, right? So you can either pump up or pump down. Recline to the seat back here, slider bars in front of you, tilt telescopic wheels right here. Do you want to make any adjustments? You good?
I'm good.
Okay, neat. Vehicle's got active traction and stability program for your safety and convenience. So it's a feature that's always on. You start the car, it's on. If you want to turn it off, you can turn it off. Steering wheel's got full host of all the controls that you do need. So Bluetooth 2.0 controls here. Up to 7 devices can be connected to the Bluetooth system. Awesome. Audio controls are right here, so super convenient. Or you can use the touchpad there. Totally easy and rad to use. Cruise controls here. Your auto lights, right? So the SE is going to come with the automatic headlights, which is really nice. They're just going to come on and off as they need to. Fog light controls, high beam controls, changing your center display information, so whatever you want to look at. And it's all color, which is really nice. Push button for the ignition, super badass. Electronic parking brake, that's really cool. So your parking brake in your crusty, so it is like this click, 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 right? You could like sprain your wrist doing that. Here you won't. Just touch that electronic parking brake, it's set. It's got auto hold too, that's kind of neat. So if you have the auto hold feature on, when the car comes to a complete stop, you can take your foot off the brake and it remains stopped until touch the gas, car releases the brakes, you go. That's pretty neat, eh? And just feel the steering wheel, just give it a, man, isn't that nice? That is Corinthian leather.
What is Corinthian leather?
That's what that is. It's amazing. Okay, bezels, look at how everything's finished. The carbon trim, like it's fun, you know? It's modern, it's hip, it's happening. Paddle shifters, man, what are those? So this car has got a automatic CVT transmission with Sportronic feature, and all new for this year, you got 8 virtual gears. Wow, so if you're feeling sporty and you want to pound through the virtual gears, at any time, just touch one of the paddles. D goes away, changes to a number, up, downshift. Upshift is also off. So if you want to turn it off, hold it for a couple seconds, turns itself off. Super all-wheel control drive system, 3 modes, normal. So if it's decent outside, go to normal. It's pretty much 2-wheel drive, unless slippage happens and it'll put power there. Then you got snow mode for slippery conditions, and you also have a gravel setting. So if you're going out to the lake or whatever, right, like you sometimes do, you're gonna be totally cool on whatever road conditions are in front of you. What else I want to talk about? Talk about warranty. Roadside assistance is free for 5 years. I have 0.9% leasing available right now. That's a deal. We should just go for a drive. You should just buy it.
Okay.
Okay, sweet. Okay, I'm done.